Welcome back to my Keto Kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I have a very easy recipe for chicken soup, which is great for protein sparing days, precision PSMF days. It's carnivore. It's great if you have somebody in the family that's not feeling well and needs chicken soup. I'm making a single serving. You can scale this up to however many people you're going to cook this for. Sometimes I, fry up a pound, 2 pounds of ground chicken and just make soup as we need it. So this is 4 ounces of ground chicken breast. And I added salt, pepper, and oregano, fried it up. This, since it was chicken breast, didn't have any fat or anything, so I didn't have to drain it. If for PSMF days, you would drain it. For regular carnivore, regular days, you don't have to drain it. So I season the meat before I fry it up. And on the stove, I have about a cup of chicken stock. I bought my chicken stock. This is Food Lion brand. Walmart brand also has good chicken stock. You have to read the labels. I have not found a brand name that doesn't have sugar in it. But this Food Lion chicken stock has no sugar in it, but their beef stock does. Their beef broth does not have sugar in it, but the chicken broth does. So read your labels and get whichever one does not have any sugar. And sugar has several names, maltodextrin, some put cornstarch in it. No, you don't want any of those. So I am heating up about a cup of chicken stock that has no sugar in it. And all you do is you add it to your ground chicken, and voila, you have chicken soup. Carnivore chicken soup, PSMF chicken soup. Make it for 1, make it for 4. It's so easy. If you don't have time to cook at night, you can always have the chicken in the refrigerator ready to pour hot broth on, which heats it up, and you've got chicken soup. Oh, that is so good. When Carl had his tooth extracted and he couldn't eat food for a few days, this is what he lived on. I made him chicken soup every day. It is so good. Enjoy.